Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Audi Q5 2.0T Quattro Premium Plus. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.